Hello, this is Tiffany with Hustle Hard Design Co. I just want to do a quick video about my new Photoshop script. This script will help you to create hundreds of tapered tumbler wraps in minutes. Okay, when you first open the script and get everything set up, you will see this box here. And it just says batch process, resize, and taper tumbler wraps by Tiffany Hustle Hard Design Co. Okay, so it says there's a source folder, prefix, suffix, and then there's a checkbox where you can do tapered or warped version only. So with this source folder here, this is where you will keep a locate the folder of the files that you want to process on your computer. So when you create that browse and find that file, the path will populate here. So the script will know where to find the files. And there is not an option for an output folder because once everything gets going, it will automatically create an output folder in that source folder and it will just say process files. And I give you the option to add a prefix or a suffix to your file name if you would like to. So I just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in there. So you can just see how that works. Okay. And if you check this box, it will only give you the tapered version of the Tumbler wrap. If you leave it unchecked, you will get two outputs. You will get the if your script say your design is a 12 by 12, it will resize it to the 9.3 by 8.2 inch and give you that version, and it will give you the tapered version. Okay, let's see. And it's already, we're going to go ahead and process a file. I just have about 5 files in the input folder. I'm going to show you the files that I have in here. Okay. These are the files that we're going to process here. And I did this one on Stable Diffusion. The other are Dolly images. Okay. I'm just going to go back and we're going to process this. Okay, so while that's going, once it's done, it's going to give us an alert. And that alert is going to tell us how long everything took to process. And it's going to automatically open the output folder when done. Okay, so while that's going, just this action panel that you see here, mine is in button mode. So that way, it just makes everything more neat and um, easier for you to find your actions. And it's also easier to turn all of your scripts into actions also. So that way you won't have to go over here to file and find the scripts and then upload it. Okay, so let me show you this output folder. See, it's saying process files here. Okay, it's still going. It's got one more to go. So I'm going to minimize that so because it should be opening after the next one. Okay, and you see how it has the prefix and the suffix, and then it just says warped at the end. Okay. So it's on the last one. So it's done. It says batch processing complete, total time 1 minute and 27 seconds. I do have a lot of stuff up on my computer because it normally doesn't take that long. Okay. And it automatically opens the output folder. So and these designs haven't been upscaled. You see, this is kind of off. I'll have to fix that in Photoshop. Okay, it's tapered, 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 tapered. So, and this is the input folder. These are the originals and these are the process files. Okay. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And there should be a link to purchase this script in the description if you would like. Please like, comment, and share my video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.